Welcome to the lecture on the security of computer networks. This time, we will look at the issues associated with the administration of computer networks. In particular, we will examine the methods of real-time monitoring of packets sent over local networks, and other networks too. We will use one of the most popular network monitoring tools, WireShark. We will explore why automatic intrusion detection systems are not going to replace manual ways of network traffic analysis. In this module, we will answer the question, how to control access to the network with firewalls. We will get to know basic information about firewalls and their division. We will also say a few words on network intrusion detection and the limitations of both technologies. Then we will examine WireShark more closely and discuss its usefulness in detecting suspicious situations that take place on computer networks. Let's start.